Hi, it's Lisa with An Appetizing Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make an arugula salad with fresh pears and goat cheese. This arugula salad has arugula, fresh romaine lettuce, goat cheese, fresh pears, toasted pistachios, and pomegranate seeds, and it's topped with a balsamic vinaigrette. So this salad has arugula, but I thought I'd add in some romaine. I actually had some in the refrigerator. And just to get a nice different blend, you get the peppery arugula with the nice crunchy romaine, which is my favorite lettuce. So this has been washed and the romaine's been chopped up. And I'm just gonna set it aside. So now let's make the balsamic vinaigrette, and this is really easy. I'm gonna grab a shallot. Oh, 2 in 1. Mince the shallot. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. Now I like to let this sit for about 5 minutes just to let the flavors of the shallot kind of blend into the balsamic vinegar, but you don't have to do that. That's just something I like to do. Add in Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and I'm going to give that a good shake. Now I'm going to take the olive oil and I'm going to slowly stream that into the vinegar. And give it a shake again. And you have a nice balsamic vinaigrette. Now this vinaigrette will last for about 3 days in the refrigerator, only because of the shallots. If you left the shallots out, it would be good for about a week. So the balsamic vinaigrette is all done. Next I want to do the pistachios. I want to warm them in the oven, actually roast them in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then once they come out and cool down, I'm going to chop them up, a very rough chop for them so we can sprinkle them on the salad. So I'm just using my toaster oven and I have it on 350 and I'm going to have it cook for about 5 minutes. Now keep your eye on the pistachios because they can burn really, really quickly. And you know, once you start smelling the nuts, that's the time to pull them out of the oven. So I'm using 2 Anjou pears. Silly. You could use any pears you want. I personally like these. And we're going to peel them and just cube them. So I'm just cutting around the core, just like you would with an apple. Okay, the timer just went off for the oven, so I'm going to run and grab the pistachios. And there they are. And I'm just going to let them cool for a little bit and then we'll do a rough chop with them. So the pistachios have cooled down. I'm just going to take them, put them out. And I just want to do a rough chop with them. Oh, they smell good. So now we're ready to put the salad all together. I'm just gonna blend these together, the arugula and the romaine. Now, if you're making this salad for a crowd, I would say go ahead and dress it all the way and then put all of the ingredients in. But for this video, I'm gonna do it individually on one plate and just kind of make it that way. It's up to you. So I'm gonna take the lettuce and the arugula and take some of the dressing and just drizzle that on there. Lightly dress it. To add a little bit of the pear on, some fresh crumbled goat cheese, toasted pistachios. We'll just sprinkle those on top. And because they're in season, some really pretty pomegranate seeds. And look out for a video to show you how to deseed these 2 different ways so you can enjoy them on your salads. And this is an easy, colorful salad that you can serve anytime during the holiday or in the fall or in winter, or if you freeze the seeds year-round. If you like this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified every time I put out a new video. And I will see you next week on An Appetizing Life. I need a fork, as always.